Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel urmishaeduworld. In this video, we are going to see what is the assignment operator. This video is also the continuation of the operator in Python. So let's get started. So assignment operator in any programming language, anything with the assignment is actually related with something as an equal to. So if you apply equal to and assign any variable any value specific and write here this equal to sign, so that's simply called the assignment operator. So here we are not going to see this how we can assign simply any variable. Let's say x is equal to 50 and we say this is the assignment operator. Yes, it is equal to, that means it's an assignment operator to assign the value to the variable. So that's how we can see the variable how it's to be assigned. But we will see actually what this assignment operator you could work when something as in like shorthand operator can. So this assignment operator and along with that if you give any operator with it, it is called the shorthand operator, which works as that. Similarly, if you perform something like, let's say I want to perform x plus 5, then I can write the same thing as x plus equal to 5, which means this is actually the meaning is here x is equal to x plus 5. So any x will be add 5 here because that's the plus operator is defining, and that will again assign back to x. So that is actually called the shorthand operator, where any of the operator is assigned along with the assignment operator, and that is what the shorthand operator. So let's see how will work on this if I just simply write x plus equal to 5. So according to this, as in if we understand, then x is right now 50. 50 plus 5, 55. So I'm expecting to have 55 in return. So let's run this cell. Now run this. Oh, it is run, but we haven't um, asked what is the output. Now, so that's how is a 55. But let's say if I write here this 55 now again try this, see the difference. It will give me 60. The reason behind is now this x has been over uh, over replaced, or you can say the override with the value of 55. So now the new x become the 55 instead of 50, and adding this plus 5 will give you 60. So this is really important to understand, or keeping in mind that this operator is actually working is because you are again giving back to x itself. That's what this variable is having. Okay, so that is the true overall concept, that if you assign this value to something and then it will generate in this way. So this is what all about the shorthand operator. So not this just plus, you can also do the same arithmetic operation here with the multiplication, division, the floor division, even the exponential, the modulus, even the using this and operator, the and function, the this is the parallel which is work as a or operator. Even there is a power, then you can do this right shift, left shift. So everything you can perform here. So let's see one by one how you can do. Okay, you must be wondering why division not, subtraction not. So we can do as well. So just minus and equal to, and now I will write here my 5 and then x. So just keep in mind the now the updated value right now with x is 60. So anything 60 minus 5, it should again give back us 55. So let's run this one. 55 is here. Now 55 into equal to 5, which means that 55 is now multiplied with 5. So let me bring here So I pulled this calculator, and now let's multiply this 55 into 5, and it should give us 275. So let's run this x, and now again run this 275. That's how we are calculating. So the new and the latest value of x is right now 275. Now let's say, now again this x is divide equal to 5, which means that x has to be divided by 5 and again assigned back to x. So when 275 is divided by 5, so what it will give? It give us again 55. So let's see. Yes, 55.0. Why 0? Because as I told you in my previous videos, that whenever you do perform division, it will give you in the float instead of any integer value. Now let's see this revised x value, and doing this floor operation, it must give us 11. So let's again do this and see how it is. Okay, here we cannot do that, but let's have, so yeah, 11, because as I said, this is the quotient of your division thing. Now this is a called the exponential. This is what we have used in the arithmetic. So if I say 11 to be multiplied 5 times, right, then how is going to perform? So let's see in here, like 11 has to be multiplied how many times? This is 3 times, this is 4th time, and this is what the 5th time is. So let's run this cell. Okay, so this is what we can say about the revised. So now the revised value of x is this. Now let me have the modulo of this. Modulo is the remainder. So let's see what the remainder is. It's just 1. Okay. Now I want to do the and operation. And operation, and I you must be remember of the bitwise operator, which I have explained in a very detail. Okay, so please don't forget to watch that video. Have got my full effort on making you guys understand that. So this is the AND operator. Run the cell. Okay, there is something about the reason behind we are having right now with this float, and this is understands only the integer. So what I'll do here? So for that, I'll first need to convert this int x into integer. So forcibly I want to change this in an integer. So x right now is 1, and now run this cell. Okay, so we haven't assigned this to x. That's why it was taking as in like only for this cell. Yeah. So once you do run it, it will give you 1. And now run this with an AND operation, it will give you 5. Similarly for OR operator, again run this cell, you will get it 5. Anything which is the XOR operation you can perform, it's again it going to give you 0. Similarly, if you want to do the right shift, as I explained in my previous video how you can do this shifting. As for 1, it is going to be 0 0 0 and 1, and for 5 going to be 5 times. It actually asks you 5 times to shift. So once you do the 5 times shift, it will going to give you a 0 value altogether, because rest of the 128, this 64, the 16, and sorry, 64, 128, 64, 32, and 16 all are 0 right now. If you shift 5 times for the x in the in the right yeah, in the right shift, then you just have to add only zeros. That's what it is. So overall this will give you 0. Similarly, if you do the left shift, then left shift you have to shift 5 times left side, and in that case let's see what the results are. So you will get a big number right now. No, the reason behind the x is now assigned, which is changed to 0. So if everything is 0, you go on the left side 0 0 0 0, only 0. So that's why you are getting 0 here. So this is all about the assignment operator, that how you can perform and do all the assignment operation, which is the shorthand operators. Okay. Um, So yes, this is what all about the operators. I took 4 to 5 videos on explaining each and every other operator in detail, with all the examples, not just verbally I have defined it. You can go through with this assignment operator again, because everything, all these operators are actually one, which is completely depend on the other, which I have explained in the bitwise, in the comparison, and all the operators in the arithmetic operator. And please understand, this assignment operator is actually going to give you a result. So rest of other, apart from arithmetic, assignment, and the bitwise, rest of all are on the float, sorry, the boolean data they will give you, which is true or false, because they are the conditional operators always going to work on. So this is all about. See you on the next video, where we are going to see the other data types, list, tuples, and data dictionary. So stay tuned with me, learn with me, and thank you so much for watching. And I really appreciate if you subscribe my channel and spread to all your friends and groups which are actually want to learn this Python. Till then, bye bye.